All right, guys, we got another project here to do. It's a small project. I already scribed the line out on here. You probably can't see it on the camera there, but what it is this block here needs to be, this side here needs to be 1/2 inch. And then this is 0.31. So this whole material right here needs to come out. I already went ahead and got these blocks to size. So we're pretty much ready to go. I'll throw a 1/2 inch end mill in here and we'll go ahead and get this material removed. And then we'll verify that we're our 0.31 inches, and then we'll verify our 1/2 inch. So, all right, let's get started. All we're doing there is touching off and then zeroing out. Sorry about that, I had to reposition the camera. The handle was going to hit it for the mill here. I'm going to end up trying to take a lot of this in a good pass here, so let's see what happens. Okay, let's see if we hit our numbers. This top part's supposed to be a 1/2 inch. I don't know if you can see, but I'm 4/1000ths over. Which in tolerance wise, I'm well in tolerance. This is supposed to be 0.31. And this is 0.311 and looks like 1/7. So, which is well in tolerance. So this part of the operation is done. Okay, I got everything set up here. What has to happen is this needs cut out in the center with a slot in here. It's 0.344 inches, and then it's 0.47 deep. So I'll put a 5/16 end mill in here, and we'll touch off. And then we'll start cutting it down to the 4/7. Let's verify the dimension. We're at 3.333 and we need 0.344. Okay, if I did my math right, that should be one dimension. So we'll verify. And it is 344, right on the nose. So now this step is done. We'll move on to the next. So you can see these two pieces are identical. So the next operation, I'm not sure if I want to drill and tap these or cut these. They're supposed to be 45 chamfered on both sides. One's deeper than the other. So I'll get everything set up. I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get these holes spotted and we'll get those drilled and tapped. That way they're done. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get them drilled. Okay, now we're going to get everything ready to tap. Okay, we're going to go ahead and power tap it. Let's get our next one in here. Okay, this operation is pretty much done. There's only a few things I need to do. Let's chamfer these ends and then drill and ream this hole here. So I'll bring you back when I get to that. Okay, I decided we're not going to go ahead and put this chamfer in just yet. In fact, I think I'm going to order a bit for it since I don't have one. Because there's a couple other projects that I got to do that has a 45-degree taper on it. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and get these holes drilled. I only put this in here to help stabilize the chuck because sometimes it wants to tilt and not hold very well. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get these spotted and then get them drilled undersized because these are reamed holes. And I already looked through the cabinet. I don't have the drill or the reamer for that. The reamer's 0.156, so I'm going to order that as well. So we're pretty much ready here. We'll just go ahead and get started. Okay, as of now, this project is done until we get the bits come in and the reamers. So stay tuned for the next project. Okay, so we got the first part set up in here. We got to cut basically an 1/8 inch wide 45-degree angle on this side and a 200 thousandths wide 45-degree angle with that side. So since I have the everything set up here, I'm just going to cut one side, grab the other piece, cut that one, then flip it, and then we'll cut this side and then put the other piece in and cut that side. Okay, I got this one cut. We'll go ahead and get the next one put in. And there you go, 2 identical parts. This project is now done. And there you go, 2 identical parts. So thanks for watching. I'll bring you in whenever we start another project here, but for now, take care, and hope to see you soon.